Hi, Tony here. US equity markets have extended their powerful rally from the late March lows this week, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 carving out fresh all-time highs and poised for a seventh straight week of gains. The rally has been driven by solid corporate earnings, strong demand for AI-related names, and resilient economic data. Closer to home, it's been a much tougher week for the ASX 200. The index is on track for its fourth week of declines in the past five, weighed down by Tuesday night's federal budget and its significant tax changes, plus a disappointing trading update from CBA. A flurry of recent profit warnings from major companies, the lingering effects of the RBA's rate hiking cycle, and fuel security concerns have further weighed on sentiment. Looking ahead to next week and beyond developments in the Middle East, attention will turn to several key global data releases. We've got flash PMIs in the US and Europe, inflation reports out of the UK and Japan, and an important update on the Australian jobs market. Meanwhile, the US Q1 2026 earnings season continues with a solid lineup of reports from companies including Target, Home Depot, Walmart, and of course, the big one, NVIDIA. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more market updates next week.